Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Ria to bank account. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you will have to either open Ria Money Transfer application, or you can even just open your web browser and search for riamoneytransfer.com. Now, once you are at Ria Money, you just have to simply tap on the send option, and over here you will have to select that particular country in which you want to send your money. So let's say I want to send the money to the Philippines bank account, so I'm going to select it. Then you need to just select the recipient's money that he is going to receive, that is PHP, which is Philippines peso. So over here you need to enter the amount that you want to send, and here it will show you the transaction details. If you are using Ria Money Transfer for the very first time, I would recommend you to use this coupon code, that is Hello Ria, and you won't be able to pay any of the fees for your first transfer. So once you are done with it, you just have to tap on the get started option, and then you need to just provide the recipients further details like their first name, last name, and their bank account details. So you can ask the recipient to provide the bank account details, and you need to provide those details on the next page. Now, once this thing is done, you just have to select your payment option. It can be credit card, debit card, or your bank transfers, and you need to just conclude your payment. This way you will be able to send money from Ria to bank account. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.